everybody, it's Pam. I'm Amber. We're back. And yes, it's February and we're getting really close to Valentine's Day. So again, we're going with the concept of trying to find some things that you have at your house to make. This is a good craft to do with your grandkids or with your kids. I'm not sure that you're going to want to give this to like your hubby or anything, but it is kind of easy to do and it's fun, especially for the holiday. So we're making paper roses. And do you recognize that from last month? Yes, we're using our vase that we made from the candle to hold our paper roses. So Miss Amber is definitely going to do this one because she's far better at making paper roses than I am. So Amber, go for it.
The paper, and you want to make a swirl. You want it to be a little thick. Just like that. And then once you do that, you're going to cut it out.
Oh, Amber, your nail polish matches.
You like
coordinated. Woo!
My headband?
Yeah. We could start singing the song Paper Roses. Does anybody remember that? Marie Osmond.
Just cut that off.
Okay.
And then you want to start turning the paper. Now you have to work with it a little bit. It's a little awkward, but
Hers are much better. She did hers a little thicker than I did mine. And I'll show you the difference. Like, hers is the right way to do it. Mine was a little thinner.
so it should end up looking something like that.
Very good.
And you can cut off what you're not going to use, and you can take a paper clip or tape. Paper clips seem to work a little bit better.
I'll zoom in on it.
Hold it in place.
There we go, see?
And there you go.
All right, see, that's pretty simple.
Yeah. And then you can go outside and pick some twigs.
Yep, we got them.
And you can just tape it right in here. Just pull the twig inside. And there you go.
Very good. Try a little bit with the regular glue. I mean, it's experimental, but I think the kids will like it. Voila! Okay, this is another edition of Pam and Amber's Craft Corner. Bye!
Bye.